U-Advocate Wilmington Groove utshele inkantolo ukuthi ukumiswa kukaMagashule kuhambisana kahle nezinqumo ezathathwa engqungqutheleni yokuqoka ubuholi yayibanjwe eNasrec ngo-2017 neyaphuma nesiphakamiso esithi lawo malungu abekwe amacala kumele ashenxe.
No organization of any self-respect wants somebody indicted on a serious crime to be its public face.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi ANC ithi akulona iqiniso ukuthi isigungu esiphezulu seqembu sawuchibiyela umgomo wokushenxisa kwamalungu abhekene namacala.
The NEC didn't narrow down anything, that it gave full and proper effect, that its guidelines give full and proper effect to the conference resolution. So that the starting premise of Mr. Magashule's attack, that the NEC narrowed down the conference resolution, it's simply not correct. It's not correct on the facts.
U-Advocate Wilmington Groove uthi ukuhoxiswa kobulungu bukamongameli weqembu Cyril Ramaphosa buhoxiswa nguMagashule kwakuyinto eyayingafanele futhi kwakuyindlela yokuziphiniselela.
I will submit to you that this is a thoroughly dishonest but also thoroughly legally flawed letter.
U-Advocate Mpofu usamile kwelokuthi uMagashule unawo amandla okumisa ubulungu bukamongameli we-ANC.
That letter is valid. That suspension is valid. The man is suspended as we speak.
Inkantolo ephakeme iSouth Gauteng isigodlile isinqumo. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.